Hello, hello, Priyanka ji. First of all, just I welcome you in this live session of India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. This is Suraj Kumar, founder of India English Bolega Abhiyan, as well as writer of Basic to Advanced Response Course PDF book, as well as expert tutor in Habro application. I welcome you, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. Why not? So as you can see on the screen, my name is Priyanka. I belong to Uttarakhand, but now I live in Gurugram, Haryana. I have done masters, qualified UGC NET exam. Now I'm preparing for JRF. Simultaneously, I run a YouTube channel where I'm uploading conversational videos, sometimes some solo videos in English, and reading books, talking to people. These two are my hobbies. That is more or less about me. Thank you so much.
Wow, wow, you have done your masters. I think then what was the subject for the masters and what is your goal?
Actually, my subject was management. I have done masters in finance and marketing and qualified net in management. And goal is I want to do PhD in this. And if I will get job as a assistant professor, so I will do that also. Nowadays, I'm teaching some students online. I love this language. That is why I started teaching some students. What about you?
Wow, 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 wow. I tell you, I love this language and really I'm big fan of English language and a lot of English speakers are there in India. I
Yeah.
really appreciate them that being Indian, they speak fantabulous English and really I wanna speak like them. And I have great desire. When I was a child, the time just I was from Hindi medium school, and when I used to see the people in YouTube channel and any other different
Hmm.
forms, they were speaking fantabulous English, and the time just really English. I think that was giving me thrill. How the people, I think from India, they are from India, and India, you know that Indian people they don't know how to talk in this language. But however, there are few people they speak this language fluently without any hesitation. Wow, what a fantastic way of speaking they have. So really I became fan of this language and finally just I decided to learn this language and now this language is my Jan, you can say my everything because of it nowadays just people, my students know me. English
Hmm.
lover Suraj Kumar, just they know me, they call me sir because a lot of students I have online, offline, and just I teach that how can you talk in this language and
Hmm.
only you know that how to read Hindi and English. I give 100% guarantee. One day your English will be fantabulous and you will speak English fluently without any hesitation. So
Hmm.
really, whenever I tell my students, really they feel fantabulous and they feel amazing. They say thank you, sir. And many students they have joined from different areas of India. Some are out of India as well, and they are learning this language. And
Hmm.
really, I'm feeling fantastic. Then you tell me, I think you said that you also teach.
Yes,
Yeah.
I started teaching online.
Oh, yes. Then you tell me, I think, how do you teach your students and what are the methods you use?
Okay, so as you know, I am also a YouTuber. I have a channel on Instagram, so there is a large audience. So people, whenever I upload my conversational videos, so people want to connect with me. Some are like that; they don't want to upload their videos on channels, and they don't want to show their face on social media. So they join my course, and we have a conversation. Like I always prefer conversational English, so sometimes I do role plays, sometimes I storytelling is also very good method. So I always do like that group sessions. So these are my strategies and technique, and I get students from online, from my channels and from my social media platform. Yeah. So your that program is very unique and name is also very unique in India English Bolega Abhiyan. So what
Mega
was
Abhiyan.
the
Actually,
like why you started that in Hindi and English both?
this bolega. You know, I think I was from Hindi medium school and my all friends were Hindi medium school. So When I said that I want to learn this language, I want to speak fluently without any hesitation. They said, okay, suppose you learn this language.
Hmm.
Suppose you learn this language because if you have time, money, efforts, you can learn very easily.
Yeah.
After learning, sir, what will you do? Yes, your time, money, energy, everything it will waste.
Yeah.
So I said, friend, you don't worry about it. I wanna change. I wanna change India. So I said them. I would start one program that's name will be India English Bolega Abhiyan. First, they laughed at me. Oh, what are you saying, sir? This time you don't know how to talk in this language. Clearly, you can't speak five sentences. How can you say that you would start India English Bolega Abhiyan? How will you interact with all those students?
Hmm.
India English Bolega India is very big country. India is
Yes.
a very big country and crores of students are there. How will you teach them? How it will be possible for you?
Yeah.
So really it was a dream, but when your dream it comes true, you feel fantabulous in your life. So I feel amazing because of me. A lot of students they are learning this language. They have the confidence. In you can just check in my YouTube channel, India English Bolega Abhiyan YouTube channel, English Lover SK. It was earlier name.
Hmm.
So many students they have recorded themselves. They have given me the video of English speaking. They
Okay.
are able to speak English fluently without any hesitation because what tactics just I used to learn this language, same tactics just I give them because that time I didn't have that much source of environment, but this time a lot of things are there, like PDF ebooks are there, conversation videos are there, just
Okay.
live sessions are there, many apps are there where you can go there, you can just interact, you can practice with the students. So very easily, it
Hmm.
took me for a long time to learn this language, but for my students, I think this is a cup of tea for them, and really it will
You
be
made it
very easy for them.
very easy task. You made it for them very easy task. They can learn easily just because of you.
Very nice, very nice.
What made you?
Then,
Who
hmm,
made
hmm,
who
hmm.
inspired you to make this much like this channel and all are the things you are doing? Which and anybody like in your life who inspire you?
Actually, I was a very nice student of my schools.
Mhm.
So my teachers, I think they taught me a lot about the changing of India and politics. I had a lot of interest in politics as well. So Abhiyan means that they started many kinds of Abhiyan like Asahayog Abhiyan and many Andolan. So I also thought I started Berozgari Mitao Andolan and Berozgari Mitao Andolan where I just according the behalf of Berozgari Mitao Andolan just I have started India English Bolega Abhiyan because suppose today if you will learn this language you will learn this language you will just talk with many learners you will record your video when you will publish in your YouTube channel you will learn how to earn so the berozgari that unemployment it is our main target and one day it will be a lot of students will be they will be learning this language and they will start YouTube channel otherwise they will start online coaching, offline coaching, and the berozgari that is the greatest enemy of our country. It will be killed one day because of this India English bolega abhiyan.
Okay. And when we learn this language, when we start learning this language, or when we learnt this language, so there are a lot of opportunities. Like we can crack interview, we can teach other people. So automatically we start earning. So yes, that is true. You started working upon employment as well. Very nice.
So I was thinking that doing something big for India, and so I started. I'm trying. Just I'm improving myself because you know that I am not a god and I am not very very big I came from middle class family, and I did not have that much resources. I was from Hindi medium school, sarkari school, khichdi wala school, jahan you go and just eat khichdi and just enjoy your day and just pass your day and come to the house. So
Hmm.
I try to change something, because you have efforts, if you have time, then of course you can devote for your country, for your parents, for your family. So really I'm so successful this time, and because of me many students they are able to speak this language, so I get this satisfaction that is amazing, far from the money.
I can
Because
see
if you have,
the passion.
if you have money you can spend, after that you lost, but the satisfaction and the happiness you have, that is I think amazing. You can't, I think, compare with anything.
Yes, that is what I was saying. I can see the passion in your eyes, and you are very enthusiastic about doing something for the nation, and you are on the right path. I admire
Mm.
you. Seriously.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Really, many times I think my teachers they told me, you can crack any job, government job. You are so intelligent. Of course, why are you just wasting your time? But I told them that why will you crack this job? Why will you want to earn more and more money, isn't it?
Yeah,
So, what is the main goal of earning money? Your happiness and peace.
peace. Yeah.
Want have peace and happiness, I will give you crores of rupees. The people they have they are crorepati, they have crores of rupees. They eat sleeping pills at night, and after that they sleep, because they don't have sleep, sound sleep. So, and if you have peace, satisfaction in your life, whether you earn a little bit, just you can maintain your family, it is fantastic. So really I'm so satisfied, and really I appreciate you that you gave me your important time, and I appreciate you. If you have any question you can ask me, otherwise it is enough for today.
Yes, some questions for you. First thing, I would love to know about your YouTube channel. How is it going? And what is your New Year resolution? These two things. Please tell me.
New Year resolution, my only one resolution, that I have to teach more and more students through online, because India English bolega Abhiyan, it will be when Abhiyan, because of it a lot of students they will be inspired, they will have the knowledge that how to talk in English. India
Hmm.
English bolega. India means all the people they are negative for this language. If they will be positive and they will be inspired after looking this video, after that, after joining India English bolega Abhiyan, they will have the trust, because there are many trainers only they sell the courses and they cheat the people. Many
Hmm.
students and me, sir, I just donated, I just paid there this much money, that much money, however just I didn't learn anything.
Hmm.
So I want to tell them, you trust first good person, and after that really transformation it will come in your life, and it will be possible. So I create. I am not a YouTuber. I am not a YouTuber. I don't have that much interest in YouTube channel and making videos, but YouTube is a great platform where you can express your thoughts, feelings, ideas, and you can tell the people that what is your desire, what is your burning desire, what do you want to do for your country.
Hmm.
So, so I'm just here to tell you, and thank you for your precious time. I hope one day your what is your wish, it will be completed, and you will be very successful in your life.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for connecting to me. It was lovely talking to you.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. See you. Thank you, and see you next time.
Okay. Bye
Thank you, ma'am.
bye. Bye bye.
Welcome, welcome.